Molly. Molly, what'd you have for lunch?
Mama?
No.
Mom?
No, what'd you have for lunch? Cheeto? Cheeto? What'd you have for lunch? Molly, what'd you have for lunch? You're not going to answer me, are you? Ah! What'd you have for lunch? That's so funny, isn't it? Molly, did you have cheese toast for lunch? Did you have cheese toast?